I just got out the shower and today I'm going to style my hair using my OG Gatsby Moving Rubber Spiky Edge. This was my favorite hair wax all throughout high school, was my introduction into men's grooming and styling, and was the secret weapon for achieving anime-like men's hairstyles, which is why it was really popular within the Asian American community back in the day. As you can see, it's been very well used throughout the years, but it still works. It's amazing. Watch this. Just gonna scoop out a little bit with my index finger like this. And I know you're thinking this wax looks really hard, but back in the day, we used to actually leave it out overnight to make the wax harder as a little trick to get even more extra hold. I'm gonna put it in my inner knuckles right here in order to work the product between the webs of my fingers. Now that I have the product in between my fingers, I'm going to apply it directly to the roots, pulling upwards and slightly outwards. Here we go. Other trick is when you're styling it, if you want to get more volume and spikes, you put your hair at a downward angle so that you let gravity help you. And there you have it. As a fully grown man with my hair wax that's now over a decade old, I can still go super sane. So if you're interested in Japanese hairstyles or looking for a high quality hair wax that I've just shown you can work for a literal lifetime, pick up some Gatsby Moving Rubber Spiky Edge for yourself, and you can be an anime character too. Also, back in the day, we used to take pictures like this, or something like that.